Welcome to AGF, the online platform for GATE Agriculture Engineering. And this is all about me. Friends, now see another question asked in 2004. Friends, here the decimal reduction time at 71 degrees centigrade is 5 seconds. And it is asking about the decimal reduction time at 62 degrees centigrade. So friends, this question is also very easy. Decimal reduction time relationship, I think all of you know that. You see here, the Z value is also given in the question. Z value is 6.1. Friends, here it is misprint. It is 6.1 degrees centigrade. Because here due to misprint it is looking like 0.1, but exactly it is 6.1 degrees centigrade. So all of you know this relationship. dt2 by dt1 is equal to 10 to the power t1 minus t2 by z. Friends, dt1 and dt2 you take care. When I have written dt1 and dt2, you can write t1 minus t2. मीन्स आपको ये लोकेशन याद रखनी है. वेयर आई एम कंसिडरिंग द फर्स्ट वैल्यू, वेयर आई एम कंसिडरिंग द सेकंड वैल्यू. यू हैव टू यू सी हियर t2 by t1, dt2 by dt1 is equal to 10 to the power t1 minus t2. मीन्स जो हमारा डिनोमिनेटर में है वो फर्स्ट टर्म लिखा जाएगा. मीन्स dt1 is in the denominator, so I have written t1 minus t2. And if dt2 is in the denominator, then I will write t2 minus t1. So you have to take care about this only. Remaining all things are easy and you are very easily able to calculate. So you should calculate and you will get your answer. Friends, here d71 is given, that is 5 seconds. So you multiply with 5 and you will get your answer, that is 149.4 seconds. Now friends, see another question. It is also very good question and very easy question. All questions has been asked upon the previous year concepts only. So once you understand the concept and formulas, you are very easily able to solve all the questions. You see in this question also there is nothing is there. D at 120 degree is given. And it is asking about the D value at 100 degree Celsius and Z value is given. So you have studied the relationship regarding the D and Z and temperature. Means D2 by D1 is equal to 10 to the power t1 minus t2 by z. Friends, once again I will say you to be clear with the locations of d2 by d1 and t1 minus t2. आपको लोकेशन याद रखनी है. If you do wrong with the location, then definitely 100% you will get the wrong answer. So be careful about the locations and remaining things are easy. The first part you can easily calculate. You can get the D value, means decimal reduction time value at 100 degree is 20 minutes. And now friends, it is asking the processing time. And friends, you see that initial number of microorganisms are 1000, means 10 to the power 4, and finally it is reduced to a probability of 1 in million. Friends, initially it is 10 to the power 4, means n naught value is 10 to the power 4. And finally means n value is in the probability of 1 in million. Friends, in 1 million 10 to the power 6 amount is present. 1 million is equivalent to 10 to the power 6 and probability of 1 in million means 1 by 1 million means 1 by 10 to the power 6 means total is 10 to the power minus 6. हमारा 1 by 10 to the power 6 है, तो इसको when I will write in terms of n, then it is 10 to the power minus 6. So you can easily calculate the processing time formula. You can easily apply, that is f is equal to d100 into log value is 10 to the power 4 and n value is 10 to the power minus 6. So you put both these values, you will definitely get the right answer, that is 200 minutes, sorry. Now friends, see another question. It is also very easy. Here little bit misprint in the solution, but you don't have to worry about that. You can easily able to solve this question because you have understand everything regarding these topics and these questions. So you are very easily able to solve. I will tell you what is happening here. Friends, it is asking about the time, means processing time it is asking. At 130 degrees centigrade, means both the temperature T1, T2 values are given, that is 121 degrees centigrade and T2 value is 130 degrees centigrade. And the D121 value is given, that is 1.5 minutes, and Z value is given, that is 9. So all values are given and you have to calculate the T2 value, means the processing time at the temperature 130 degree centigrade. You have to calculate. And friends, it is very easy. Here it is little bit misprint, so the formula is looking little bit wrong because I have to include equal to sign between this. So you apply by yourself in your calculator, you will definitely get the right answer, that is 9 seconds. So you should do the calculation. I think previous concept is sufficient to solve this question. Now friends, see another question. Friends, this question is looking little bit lengthy, but genuinely it is very easy questions. So you don't have to be panic. You see the question. 4 types of microorganisms PQRS are given and their initial number of microorganisms are given. For PQRS, initial number of microorganisms are given in the question and their decimal reduction time is D value is also given in the question. And friends, it is saying that spoilage probability, means the final number of microorganisms to obtain the spoilage probability of 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power minus 4. Means friends, हमें initially PQRS different type of microorganisms थे, उनके different number of microorganisms थे and उनकी D values given थी, decimal reduction time value different given थी और हमें बोला जा रहा है कि final हमें spoilage probability चाहिए, means final number of microorganisms चाहिए 10 to the power minus 4. Then what should I will do? All of you know that we have studied the formula for calculating the processing time, that is F is equal to D into log base 10 into N naught by N. Everyone has studied in my previous slide. So you should simply apply those formula and you can calculate for all these terms PQRS. And here you see that for all the terms it is calculated. And friends, in the question it is asking which microorganism will inactivate first and which microorganism will inactivate last. मीन्स इसमें हमें फर्स्ट और लास्ट का केस पूछ रहा है. सो फ्रेंड्स, यू सी दैट फर्स्ट मीन्स माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म जो हमारा सबसे पहले मीन्स जो विच विल टेक द मिनिमम टाइम, मिनिमम अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम, दैट इज यू सी दैट द TR value is the minimum, that is 7.44 minute. So TR microorganism will inactivate first and the TP value is the maximum, that is 21.5 minutes. So the P microorganism will inactivate it in last. So the option B is the correct option. Now friends, see another question. It is equivalent to previous question only. It is also, I think I have solved this question in the previous slide also. Initially it is asking that processing time. It is asking to calculate the processing time for the destruction of 99.4 times 9% of microorganisms, and D naught value is given, that is 1.8 minute is given. It is asking, no friends, D naught value is not given. Here the F value is given, means processing time is given, and it is asking about the D naught value, means हमारा इनिशियली N naught amount of microorganisms था और टोटल प्रोसेसिंग टाइम मीन्स F वैल्यू हमें दे रखा है, और फाइनली वो N naught amount of microorganisms रिड्यूस होके 99.4 टाइम्स 9% रिड्यूस होता है, मीन्स फाइनल होगा 1 minus 99.4 times 9 divided by 100. So you should get the final number of microorganisms I have got in the previous slide. You see here I have calculated the final value, that is N naught into 1 minus 99.94 times 9 by 100, N naught into 10 to the power minus 6. So you can easily use that equation. And friends, one more thing, sterilization value I have told you. Sterilization value is log base 10 N naught by N. So here it is written in terms of sterilization value. You can write that way also, you can write in this way also, no problem. You can get the D naught value, that is F by sterilization value. F value is 1.8, sterilization value is 10 to the power means 6. Means log base 10 N naught by N naught into 10 to the power minus 6. So N naught cancel, and 10 to the power minus 6 will go upside, 10 to the power 6. So 10 to the power 6 log base 10 cancel, you can get the 6, that is 6 is the sterilization value. So by this formula is also, you can, it is a shortcut, means derived one. So if you want to remember this, you can remember this, otherwise you can go by basic. I think the basic one should be most preferable. And friends, in the second case, it is asking the F naught value based upon 12D concept, means 12 times the decimal log reduction value, and a most likely spore load of product of 100. Means friends, initially the number of microorganisms, means number of spores is 100, and finally it is 12 times. Friends, you have studied that log reduction, means 1 time D, 1 time log reduction is N naught by 10, means factor of 10. But when the log reduction is 12 times, means 12D, then it is 10 to the power 12. Means हमारा, you have seen that log reduction जो हमारा D value होता है वो 1 by 10 से reduce होता है. Suppose some material initially present N naught, then it is finally present N naught by 10 for D value, for calculating the D value. But friends, here it is said that on based upon 12D concept, means 12 times of D. So for 1D it is divided by 10. So for 12 times of D it is divided by 10. 1 by 10 to the power 12. So here you see that the final value of spores is 10 to the power minus 12. So you should calculate F is equal to log base 10 N naught by N into D naught, and you will get the value, that is 4.2 minute. Now friends, see another question. It is also very easy and very basic question. You see both the times are decimal reduction, D1, D2 values are given, and the temperature T1, T2 values are also given. And it is asking, when it is reduced by a factor of 10, then what is the decimal reduction time at 120 degrees centigrade. So friends, this is the solution. You see here, I think all of you know that it is asking about the Z value, means necessary to reduce by the factor of 10. Means it is simply asking about the Z value. We have to calculate both the T1, T2 values are given, D1, D2 values are given, and we have to calculate the Z value, and this relation I think all of you have known that. I have told you in the previous slide. Only thing you have to take care about that, what is the placing of D1 D2 and what is the placing of T1 T2. Means log base 10 D1 by D2 is equal to T2 minus T1. यहाँ पे फ्रेंड्स मैंने D1 by D2 कंसिडर किया है तो T2 minus T1 हो रहा है. If I consider D2 by D1 then it should be T1 minus T2. So only this thing you have to take care here. Now friends, see another question. I have told you about spoilage probability in my previous slide. I think all of you remember that spoilage probability is the value n by n naught. So friends, here you see in the question D121 value is given and F121 means processing time is given and decimal log reduction time is given. So all of you know that F is equal to D into log base 10 and n by n naught by n. So you should get your n naught value is given in the question. N naught value you see that it is 25 spores is the n naught value. So you can calculate the n value, that is 25 into 10 to the power minus 6. Friends, I will suggest you do all these questions in your gate calculator, not in your scientific calculator, because when you are doing with gate calculator your accuracy will increase. And friends, here it has calculated the n and then after it is done n by n naught, but you don't have to need to calculate n value. You can simply calculate the n naught by n with you can simply write F121 by D121 to log base 10 means 10 to the power, you can write it as 10 to the power F121 by D121 and then after you can reverse it. Means here it has calculated one more data about n value. You don't have to need to calculate the n because it is asking about the spoilage probability, means ratio of n by n naught. So you don't have to calculate. Here by mistake it has calculated. Now friends, see another question. Thermal death time is given and Z value is 10 degrees centigrade also given and thermal death time as 116 it is asking. Friends, thermal death time or processing time or log reduction time, all these times you can correlate with the same formula, that is log base 10 D2 by D1. I think you see that you have written in the previous question log base 10 D1 by D2 is equal to T2 minus T1 by Z. Same formula D1 by D2 you can replace by another time. Here T dt means thermal death time. All are almost same thing. So you are considering the ratio. So friends, you see here log base 10 T dt 116 divided by T dt 121. Friends, you see here that I have written the 1 to 1 in the denominator. So you should write 1 to 1 at first, means 1 to 1 minus 116. You should see here carefully. When whatever the value in the denominator, it should be right at the first. Means यहाँ पे मैंने T dt 1 to 1 denominator में लिखा है, लोअर साइड में लिखा है, तो इसको अपन पहले लिखेंगे, means 1 to 1 minus 116 by Z करेंगे. If I write 116 in the denominator, then we will do 116 minus 1 to 1 by Z. You have to be very clear with this, the positioning of T1 T2 and D1 D2 value. And remaining all things are like previous case only. Z value is given, you put all these values, you can get your answer.